Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video for an Etsy store that I used to purchase from back in the day when I used to sell my designs on Etsy as well. They specialize in acrylic beads. I'm sure they have other beads. They probably have glass and stuff like that. But a lot of them are vintage, and their name is Reduction Nation. And it's funny because I had forgotten all about them, and one of my subscribers, I want to say it's Erin, but I can't remember. I'm so sorry if it wasn't Erin. Reminded me of Reduction Nation. I was like, oh, I gotta go check out to see what they have. And they had a ton. And apparently I already had something in my cart from them too. So it's just been in my cart on Etsy for a long time. So I just want to show you the few different things that I got. They do have free shipping at some price point. I didn't get to that price point. I just didn't, I was a little overwhelmed. There are thousands, at least I think thousands of things in their shop. So check them out. They had really fast shipping and great quality products that I remember, and I can still point to some of the things that I've gotten from them in the past. The first, I don't have my packing slip, I'm so sorry, are these acrylic. Oh my gosh, these are so much prettier in real life than they were even in their, they have really nice photography in their store too. These look like little suns in turquoise. They're acrylic. These are gorgeous. I'm so glad. I saw these at the last minute and I got them. So I'm super happy. Those are really pretty. They have a lot of stuff that looks like this. If you like this kind of bead, you're going to be in heaven because they have such pretty stuff. All right. So that was the first thing. Next are these tube beads. They had them in several different colors, and this is two orders. One was the green order and one is purple. They just kind of put them together. These are vintage, so they're a little scuffed. Not too bad, but you can see a couple. They're not brand new beads. So you have to go in knowing that when they're vintage. Most of them are like vintage new stock, but they've been around for a long time and they'll knock against each other. So I just thought this was such a cool color combo. It's showing up a little more red on screen, but it is like a dark pink with purple. Love those. And then I think they had a gray and blue and then maybe one other color, but I can't remember what they were. And then these green, these just remind me of summer and green grass from when I used to live in Ohio. So as you can see, there's a couple scuffs on there, but these are vintage. They're so cool. Oh, they're so cool. My next thing is, I think I've been saying this in a couple videos. I want to make more beads this year. I'm very good at making pendants and stuff, and I'm not like saying, oh, I'm amazing at making pendants, but I've gotten better at making pendants, but I don't really make beads anymore, and I really want to make some beads, and I want to make something that's kind of inspired by these, so that's why I got them. They look like big pills or something. I got these just because they're so stinking cute. They're little bunnies. They're acrylic, but they're made to look like stone. They're so cute. Do you see the little ear and the little eyeball? But anyway, they're made to look like stone, but they're little bunnies. They're so cute. You can paint these. You can do whatever with these. I actually want to make a mold out of one of them so I can make more. But make them in whatever color clay I want. But these are so cool. So neat. I love them. They look like little fetish beads, little stone fetish carved beads. This one's a little different. Wait, this is a different bead, right? I don't know. I didn't see. Oh, this is a little bear. Bonus. I don't know. I didn't see those in their shop. I'm going to have to go back and see if they have them, because if they do, I'm buying them right away. But there was a little bonus secret in there. Thanks. So this was 2 sets of the bunnies because I knew I was just gonna need 2 sets or else I wouldn't ever use them because I hoard beads. If I don't have enough of the beads, they're not being used. Then I think these, I can't remember. I think these are glass. Maybe that's why they're wrapped up. Very good packaging. Yeah, these are glass. I think they might even, I'm not sure if they were check glass or not, but it's a heart mix. So a couple different colors of hearts. I like the green, the grass green a little bit more than this green, but they're both very pretty. You guys know I love hearts, and I really love this green. I think this is close to one of the colors for Pantone for this year. And these would actually go really well with those. monochromatic green tube beads. And then last but not least, in this order, I think this is the last thing. Like I said, I don't have a packing slip. Are these amazing ornate like pill beads? They're almost like look like a lantern shape, elongated lantern. They look like they're carved. This is what some carved bone beads look like. Ashley sent me some carved mermaid beads that I've been hoarding that were kind of this shape. And I just thought these were so neat. These would be great focals on either a bracelet or in a necklace. So I told you, they have a lot that looks kind of like this. So this one's more mint. I have a lot of beads that look like this from them from back in the day that I haven't used up. And then they probably still have some in their shop. And then these are turquoise. So anyway, I thought that was a fun little haul. Check them out. Tell them I sent you. Have a good rest of your day and stay tuned for Goldie. She loves you guys. Have a good rest of your night. Bye-bye. Hi, buddy. Hi. What's going on? What you thinking about? Are you thinking about tummy rubs? Are you thinking about tummy rubs? Oh, of course you are. That's all you think about. Are you waving to your friends? Say hi, friends. Hi, friends. Say, I need a haircut. Hi, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.